Here's the recipe for the lettuce wrapped spring rolls. So here's some iceberg lettuce to wrap them. We have some shrimp and chicken and eggs. We have we have lettuce and mint and cilantro and Vietnamese or Thai basil. We have lettuce, we have mint, cilantro, and Vietnamese Thai basil. We have some peanuts here that I like to throw on. We have some blueberries, some red and yellow peppers, some cucumbers, some bean sprouts, and we have some coconut here, shredded coconut. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna make these into lettuce wrapped spring rolls, and we'll show you how. I have Sue here again.
Yeah.
She's going to help me. I'm gonna put just some lettuce in and some herbs in. Put it into the iceberg lettuce, just as much as you want to here, just like you would a regular spring roll. She's going to put in now some of the different. She's going to put in now some of the different, fruits and vegetables here. You can see how she's stacking them in like that. Going to put some blueberries in to sweeten it up. Going to put in some egg. And then some pieces of chicken. You can put in chicken and shrimp if you want to mix it. And we're going to put some peanuts on top. If you want to, you can roll it. And there you have a spring roll. So maybe comb roll. Comb, like comb. Okay. Take a piece of lettuce, iceberg lettuce, a big piece. Put different type of vegetables you want in it. You can decide on the spices actually. We put in some shredded coconut, bean sprouts, cucumbers, red and yellow peppers. And we put in a few blueberries. And she's going to put in some chicken and shrimp and a few peanuts on top. And there it's been rolled. There you have. Of course, the better the lettuce you have, the bigger the piece of it. Might be easier to roll. So you can really decide if you want to mix the chicken with the shrimp and the eggs, or if you want to keep them separate. It's all up to you. And the great thing about this is you could have a rolling party where you can invite people over and they could roll their own and put what they want to into their own spring rolls. There's so many different things that you can do with this. But normally we do the same thing. We start with these vegetables, then we do the fruit and the other vegetables, and then we do the protein and the meat last. There we go. So you can wrap and roll them like this and sprinkle some peanuts. You can wrap and roll them like this and put some peanuts on top, and you have a nice presentation of lettuce wrapped spring rolls. You can serve them with our two dipping sauces, the peanut dipping sauce and the fish sauce here. And there you have a meal. Thank you, friends, so much for listening. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you get a chance, check out our blog, A Bus on a Dusty Road. We have a lot of other great recipes there. Thank you.